What's the meaning of Arawak? Arawak. Arawak.
Arawak. Arawak. The term Arawak refers to a group of indigenous peoples who historically inhabited parts of South America and the Caribbean. The Arawak peoples had a unique culture and spoke languages that were part of the larger Arawakan language family. They were known for their skills in agriculture, fishing, and hunting, as well as for their artistic traditions and use of medicinal plants. Today, many Arawak communities still exist in various parts of the Caribbean and South America, and efforts are being made to preserve their cultural heritage and promote their rights and well-being.